workshop. But the shed, the wall of the shed is not vertical. So this is vertical. The blocks dig in, and with a snell beton fast concrete perfectly horizontal. That side is 1 centimeter higher. If you have a fall in the bath, because bath need to be like on the shed. And satisfied client. I hope so satisfied. Yes, I have it, just to make a video. So should be like that roof on the shed, and this will be something like CarPort. And later comes this gate and the fence. This material planks are over, and then bitumen or something like that, with a gutter there in the corner.